Would you buy a brand new car if it came with old, worn-out tires and rims? Probably not. So why do some roofing companies install a brand new roof on top of old flashing? Hey, I'm Max and you're watching The Roof Lab by Van Martin Roofing. If you're replacing your roof here in Ohio, this is something you need to understand before you sign a contract. So what is flashing? Let's break this down simply. Flashing is that metal material you can see here installed around chimneys, walls, valleys, vents, or skylights. Its job is to direct water away from critical areas of your roof. In other words, flashing is one of the most important parts of your roofing system for preventing leaks. But here's the issue. Some roofing companies will reuse existing flashing during a roof replacement. And why is that? Because it saves time and it saves money. But that flashing has already expanded and contracted for years. It may be slightly bent or worn. It may have hidden corrosion that was shaped for the old roofing system. And once you put a brand new roof over it, you're building a new system on top of an old weak point. And most roof leaks aren't going to happen right in the middle of your roof. They happen at chimneys, walls, valleys, penetrations, or skylights, which are all flashing areas. So when flashing fails, that's when homeowners start seeing interior water damage, mold issues, and expensive repairs, even though the shingles themselves are brand new. So if you're getting a new roof, here's what you should ask your roofing contractor. Are you replacing all the flashing on this project? And don't just accept yes. Ask them what type of flashing, where it's being replaced, and if it's included in the scope of the work they gave you. Because if one quote is cheaper, this is one of the first places that the corners get cut. And you need to look at it this way. A roof isn't just the new shingles. It's a full, complete system. And reusing the old flashing on a new roof is like putting worn out bald tires on a brand new car. And here at the Roof Lab, we believe in doing it right the first time. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We have new videos coming out every single week, so stay tuned.